Hi all, welcome to Excel World. So we can see here our focus will be basic knowledge of what we are learning. We are putting here and then we have put the focus of the day, what will be our focus of the day, and then we have put a tab where we will be putting all the shortcuts related to it, and if any additional notes we will be mentioning that also. So here we have a focus of today, the file tab. So we will be learning what is the file tab and what are the different features in it and how it will be beneficial for us and in our Excel knowledge. So we are putting file tab is the first tab in Excel file, and it requires attention while learning because it has a very important feature in it, which is a pivot table, and we have to learn this all the these tabs in detail, then only we can excel our Excel knowledge. So we will be learning what are the different tabs in the file tab and what are the basic and what are the important tabs in it. So this is the way we will be learning all the file tab functions and features. So for I must say that it has a lot of features in it, and it is a very important part of Excel. So what are the various tabs in the file tab we will be mentioning one by one, and we will be learning each tab one by one in detail, and if there is any shortcut related to it we will be mentioning that also for your help. So our pattern will be same. We are putting all the tabs here and then we will be mentioning that some of the details in next to it, and then if there is any shortcuts related to it or any additional notes we will be mentioning on the next tab. So here different tabs we have are new, open, save. So these are the different tabs we are mentioning one by one each and every tabs, and then we will be learning it in detail about each, what are its basic things and what how it will be beneficial for us. So talking about save and save as, I must say that work both work as the same. So both used to save any Excel file, but there is some basic difference in both. So we will be learning that also in detail in future. So we are mentioning all the tabs here of file tab, so which are new, open, save or save as, print, share, export, publish and options. So for your understanding we are making it as bold and plus it, so that it will be more visible for you, and you have to learn each things one by one, like what that these comes in file tab, then you don't have any problem in remembering where you have to go if you have to open a new tab, new file of Excel, or where you have to go if you have want to share it with your colleagues, or if you want to take the print of your Excel file. So this is the only tab where you have to go. So we will be now putting its definition eh, next to it about all the tabs, and then we will be learning it in little bit brief. So new tab is which where we require a new Excel file to open, we use this tab. So whenever we need to open a new Excel file, we go to file and then new, and then after clicking the new Excel file will pop up. So this is the way we have to open a new file using this new tab. We go to file, the new, to open a new Excel file. So we have put this also, that what are the steps how we have to go. We will click on the file tab, then we will go to the new tab and then click enter, then the new Excel file will pop up. So now we will be putting some of the details about the new tab, and if in case you you have any confusion, just take the pause and understand it briefly and then only proceed, because the way, like if you are have any confusion, so it will be very difficult for you to proceed. And these are the basic things of Excel which we are helping you to understand first. When we understand the Excel tabs, everything about the Excel tab, then we will move ahead with the basic shortcuts in Excel, and then we will improve or increase our shortcuts to advanced level, and then we will learn the formulas of Excel from basic to advanced. So this will be our pattern for all the syllabus of Excel. In case you have any problem, you can contact us anytime. So we are mentioning here the shortcut for the new tab, like how we can open a new Excel file using the shortcut. So it is Control plus N. So you have to press both at the same time, then only the new Excel file will pop up. So how you will do? You will click on Control, you will press the Control key and then the N key. So it will help you to open a new Excel file. Whenever you have to open a new Excel file, you have to use this shortcut keys. So now, as we have now learned what is a new tab in Excel, now we will be learning about the open tab. What is the use of open tab and how it is beneficial for us. So open tab is, as the name says, open tab is used to open any Excel file which are already saved in Excel. So if we know the path of the Excel file where that file is saved, we will click on file and then open, then we will browse, or we will just go to the path and then we will select that file and then click on OK. So this way the file will open in that Excel. So this is also a very important tab in Excel, because we have to know how we can open our new Excel file, then how we save it, then how we print it. These are the basic things we have to know first, then only we can go to the advanced level. So as we have now learned what is the open tab, I am mentioned here also in next to open tab, like open tab is the tab which we, whenever we need to open a file which is already created or saved somewhere, we will use the browse tab in it and then select our destination and then open the file. So this I have explained the same which I have told the steps earlier, like we have to click on file, then open, then browse, and then select the path and then go ahead and then open that Excel file. So this is all about the open tab. Now we will be learning some of additional information about open tab, and if there is any shortcut key attached to it, we will be learning that also. So meanwhile, I must say that whatever shortcuts I am telling you, keep practicing at it at the same time, because when you practice it in the same time, you gain the knowledge about it, and plus you gain the confidence, because confidence is a key factor while learning any skill, and Excel is also a skill. So I must recommend all of you to open your computer and then start checking it in our videos and try to do at the same time. try to apply it at the same time. So, and better to open a YouTube video and then at the same time open Excel file and see what we are teaching and plus practice that at the same time. So now we are learning what is save or save as tab in file tab. So save and save as tab has two different roles in Excel. Save is used to save any new file which we have created recently, whereas save as is used to save any existing file in some other path if we have open, or if that file is in read only, then also we can use save as function to save that file. So what we have learned now? So we have learned that save is used when we are working on any Excel file and we need to save that new Excel file which we are working on, then we use the tab function save. But in case we already have saved that file in any path and then we have to save that same file in different location, we use save as function. We click on file, then save as, then select our different location where we need to save that file or create that duplicate, that create that the duplicate of that file to save. So we use save as function. In case someone has made it password protected and whenever you are opening that file, you only able to open the read only file. So you can use the save as function at that time also and can save your read only file in some path for your reference point of view. So this is all about save as function. So I have learned, I have written the shortcut of open tab also here, control plus O. So whenever you have to open any file in a second which you know you have saved in some different path, so you click on control plus O, so the open dialog box will pop up. So there you have to browse your path and then click on that file and then OK, so your file will pop up or open. So this way you can open a saved file. So now we are learning about the print tab. So print tab is used to take the print out of any Excel file. Whenever we require to document our Excel, we use it and it has print preview open also option also it in it, so that we can check how our Excel file will be printed. So print tab is used whenever we have to take the printout of our Excel file. So there we have the option of print preview, how our file is showing, and if we will take the printout of our file, how it will show. So this helps us whenever we are submitting any project, we have to take the hard copy of any file. So while take before taking the hard copy, we can take the help of print preview to see how it will be printed, and we can adjust also according to our needs. So here we have mentioned the shortcut of save or save as function also. So our save shortcut will be control plus S. So here we can see the pattern, like for saving any new file we have control plus N, then saving any opening any new file or saved file we have control plus O, then saving any new file we have control plus S, then taking print of any file we have control plus P. So means we can remember like this, that control is same in all the shortcuts of file, but just the thing is the first letter of the shortcut is there. Like for new it's N, for open it's O, then for save it's S, and for print is P. So like this we can learn. Like control is same, just we have to press the first letter of that file name as a shortcut. So we can easily learn this without any trouble. So now we are putting what is the share tab. So share tab is used to share the file to the different person with different mode. We can share our file to other person either as an Excel attachment or as a PDF file. So share function is used whenever we are working on Excel, and like we have to send that file to our seniors, we can use this function or tab. We click on share, then we convert it to PDF file and attach it, and then send it as on mail. So this way we can say share our Excel file where we have worked. So this is the very important tab to share your work with any other colleagues. So you can attach your Excel file on Outlook or any other mode through which you want to share. So always remember that before sharing any file, you always save your file before sharing, because you wanted the other person to see your updated file. So if you don't save it, so the last saved file will be sent to that person. So you always have to save your file first before sending or sharing it with some other person. So now we will be learning what will be the export tab in Excel. So export tab is also an important tab in Excel, so through which we can export any data from different modes or different platforms. So that like if we need any big data to practice our formulas, we can take the export tab help, and we can export the big datas which are saved in our computer, and then we can practice our formulas on those. So we can export our data like the file from PDF or XPS document. So these are the different ways or different document we can export in Excel. Content can't be changed, only it is created as a PDF document. Like whenever we have exported our data, so then if we have exported it in PDF, so the content will not be changed. So in case like we have created our Excel, we have applied the formulas on it, and then we are exporting the data. So if in case we export it in PDF format, you cannot able to change a word in it. So it is best way whenever you are sharing any data which you don't want other person to amend, just to wanted him to see. So it's better always send that file in PDF mode to that person. It helps us in read, and especially for the people with disability to read. It is created as an option which help them to read the document easily. So it has different modes also, like it is helpful for the disabled person also. There are different features in it which help them also while reading. So now we will be learning the publish function. Publish function, what it is and what are the different features in it. So now we will first learn its basic term what it is. So Publish tab is used to create and share any rich visual reports. So whenever we have any report mm, which we wanted to publish, we can share it with other person using publish report. So we can share it with the either in Power BI or other tools. So like if we have a large set of data and we wanted to publish it to different platform like Power BI, we can use the published data and we can publish it in Power BI so that we can properly visualize that report and can analyze what are the different things in it, and we can take an detailed understanding about our data through Power BI. So it has two options in it. Either we can upload or export the file to Power BI. So these are the two options in Publish tab. So we can take help through Publish tab to publish our report to other person in different platforms. Now we will be learning the last tab in File tab, which is Option tab, and it is used for various lots of different things. Like there are lots of different settings which we can change using the Option tab. So Option tab have lots of features in it, so we can learn each and every features one by one, and we can change that according to our needs. So Option tab is used and it has various tabs in it which we change as per our needs. It has different tabs, and the important tabs are Quick Access Toolbar. So Quick Access Toolbar are the toolbars like where we can add all the tools available in Excel, and we can add one by one to it so that we can take the help of it. Like in case we wanted to add the developer tab in our Excel, so we will use the quick access toolbar to add the developer tab in our Excel. So this way we can easily add the developer tab using the quick toolbar. Going to file, then options, then selecting quick toolbar, and then adding the developer tab. Like this we have lots of different tabs, toolbars which we can add in Excel. Then we have add-ins, then we have formula tab, then we have customized ribbon. So these are also important in option tab. Like in add-ins, we have different add-ins provided by Excel which we can take help while working on Excel. Then we have formula tab, like which formula we wanted to reflect, and if we wanted to hide some formulas we can hide using formula tab. Then we can adjust our formula tab according to our need. Then we have customized ribbon, like we can customize our ribbon what we wanted to see and what we don't wanted to see in our Excel. And if you if we want any shortcut to reflect, we can use customize tab to as per our needs. With option function we can do different changes in Excel as per the needs, and can add different add-ins in Excel which will be very useful, and can we can customize the ribbon and add new tools in Excel using quick access toolbar. The same which we have told you, it is used to add different toolbars in Excel which will be very helpful while working in Excel. So this is all about the file tab. So in case you want any more information about the file tab or you have any confusion, you can put in the comment section. We will acknowledge each and every comments, and we will see what are your confusions, and then we will come up with proper solution to it and put proper detail about your problem so that you can able to understand it more. So thanks for watching the video. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and plus keep supporting our channel and keep looking for new Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Bye.